Hi everyone, my name is Amaka and I am a dentist. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. So, I have been missing in action, MIA, due to some technical problems, but I am glad to announce that everything has been resolved and I will be here uploading my videos regularly. I promise I am going to make that up. I'm going to upload regular videos and I hope you guys are also going to engage with me by telling me what you would like to hear, what you would like me to talk about, or anything at all regarding teeth, dentistry that you want me to touch on. Feel free to leave the comments in the comment section and I promise you I will be happy to read them. And I would also be happy to do some write-up and research and upload the videos. Right, so in the past 6 weeks that I have been away, I have been getting many questions. People want to know, what is the routine? How can I fit all these things in? The floss, the brush, and even the tongue cleaning. So my video for today will be answering the question, what should I do first? Should I brush, then floss, then clean my tongue? Or should I floss, then brush? And where does the tongue cleaning even fit in? I will be helping you out make that very important teeth care decision. Without much ado, I am going to go into the full detail about the protocols or the order in which you need to clean your teeth to keep your smile bright and your breath nice as well. The most important thing that I need to highlight here is there is no right, there is no wrong way to caring for your teeth. All the dental association have come to one common agreement, which is to brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes with a fluoride toothpaste. Clean between your teeth at least once daily. And I'm going to throw in, clean your tongue if you want to maintain fresh breath. Now, I bet the big question you're going to ask me is, I don't even have time. How am I going to fit all that in? Floss, brush, tongue cleaning. Personally, I advise keeping things really simple in the mornings. If you are anything like me, I'm not a morning person, I normally would say in the mornings, just brush your teeth for 2 minutes with a manual toothbrush or an electric toothbrush, whichever one you find that does the job for you, and spit out, do not rinse, because you need the toothpaste to help coat your teeth to keep them strong and healthy. And then at night time, when you're sure you've done with your eating, your drinking, you can then do the full shebang, which is floss your teeth, brush your tongue, rinse out thoroughly with water, brush your teeth, spit, and do not rinse. And that's it. Bedtime routine done. The next question is, are there any benefits if I stick to one protocol and not the other? Well, I'm going to tell you that whichever protocol you choose to go for, so when you floss, then brush your tongue, then brush, has got its own unique advantages, which is when you floss, the floss helps take out all those food debris, plaque stuck between your teeth. In so doing, this also would help the toothpaste penetrate in between your teeth and do what they're supposed to do. Now, when you do it the other way, which is to brush first, then floss your teeth and brush your tongue, there are benefits as well. And this benefit is when you brush your teeth and do not rinse out. Very important, do not rinse out. What happens is when you clean between your teeth with a floss, the floss helps drive the toothpaste in between those nooks and crannies around your teeth and your gums, doing what it's supposed to do, which is keeping your teeth nice and healthy. In all, there is no one protocol that is best. There is no right or wrong way to clean your teeth. The most important thing, as I always say, is you remembering that you need to brush your teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste for a minimum of 2 minutes. Cleaning between your teeth at least once daily. Remembering to clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner or your toothbrush. And when you brush your teeth, do not rinse out. Just spit out all the excess toothpaste and leave a little bit to do its job. As long as you do all this, it shouldn't matter which protocol you follow. So do you brush, floss, and then brush your tongue? Or do you floss, brush your tongue, and brush? Or do you just brush floss, or do you just floss brush? Whichever method you go for, just remember you need to do it daily and do it effectively. If I may add, so if we advise you not to rinse after brushing, it might make more dental sense for you to actually floss, clean your tongue, rinse thoroughly, and then brush your teeth and spit without rinsing. To me, this is my preferred method, but as I say, there is no one size fits all. Whatever is good for the geese may not be good for the gander. So you just have to look for that protocol or that order that actually helps and makes it easier for you to clean your teeth every day. You don't pick that protocol because I said so, but you have to trial them and see the one that well fits your way of life. The take home from this video today is 1. There is no right or wrong way in terms of protocol when it comes to cleaning between your teeth, cleaning your tongue, and brushing your teeth. So my advice is for you to pick the protocol that you know you would do daily and would fit into your lifestyle. The key is to remember to brush your teeth twice daily and clean in between your teeth at least once a day, not forgetting cleaning your tongue. All in all, the appropriate technique will go a long way to actually achieving the perfect dental health. If you're struggling and you don't know what technique is right for you, it's best for you to visit your dental professional and they will actually give you that advice tailored to your individual teeth and your individual home care. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you find this video very, very useful. If there are any comments, any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click on the subscription button so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And until my next upload, keep flossing. Bye.